Welcome back to another Right at the Light unboxing. This time we are unboxing some grab bags from Michaels. And this time I have my mother to help me with these. Alright. Well, we are not sponsored by Michaels. We bought all these bags on our own. Okay, let's start with the first one.
Okay, we each bought 2 bags. And we got, looks like tissue paper. This is
It's a
interesting.
flag.
It's a flag?
It's a flag.
Oh,
It's
cool.
a pride flag.
Oh, and we got a vase, and that retails for $19.99. Put this down. Make it easier. And we got a, looks like a picture for your bathroom, and that retails for $19.99. Not sure what that is. Looks like it could be a vase. What do you think? That retails for
It's a
12.
vase.
It is?
Yeah, it says vase right here.
Oh, okay.
It's a summer vase.
It retails for $12.98. Now remember, we only paid $5 for these. Looks like another thing for the bathroom. This one doesn't have a price tag on it.
What's it say? Say anything?
It says relax. Oh, you'll like this, Lynn. Melting wax
Oh, melt wax.
and pear scent, and that
Honey
retails
pear. $3.99.
$3.99.
It doesn't smell bad.
Not bad at all. Okay, we have a camping tile, and that says pack lighter, go further, and it's a backpack, and that retails for $9.98. Still got a couple things in here yet. A doorknob, just what we need, and that retails for $9.99. But it's a crystal one. I always like those. My grandmother had one in her house. Had quite a few of them. But only one doorknob. Where's about the other half?
Maybe
Okay,
in the
we got
bag.
one more picture framed, and this one is of birds. It's a spring print, and that retails for $19.99. And that's all that was in my bag. So we didn't do too bad for $5.
Okay, so which is your favorite item out of here?
I think this vase.
I kind of like the relax.
Okay, you get to keep it relaxed.
What about the doorknob?
What do you think, dear? Do we have a place to put the doorknob?
Yeah, no.
right.
Maybe we can sell it on eBay. Okay. Cut.
On to the next one.
Oh, looks like almost the same stuff. That's a bummer. We got another pride flag. Now this is interesting. Floral tape. That I can use. And that doesn't have a price on it. The flag retails for $9.99, by the way. And another vase. Oh, that one's pretty.
That matches the other one.
Yeah.
Not quite.
Well, the other one was, they go together. Same colors.
Yeah.
So that's
Not
not,
exactly the same, no.
and this retails for $16.99.
If I remember correctly.
And we got the same picture again. $19.99 retails. Now, celebrate jumbo balloon kit. Now, retails for $7.99.
Okay.
Is that, do you add that helium balloon?
And
Yeah, inflate with helium.
helium.
Well, that's not too bad. Maybe Renee can use that. And we got another Go Pack. Go camping.
Go pack, go.
Go camping. Interesting. And that is a cute little planner. Got a door and a window on each side. And that retails for $7.99. And we got a Christmas ball.
The letter E.
The letter E monogrammed. And that retails for $4.99. Got a couple more. Oh, isn't that adorable? Another planner. And that also retails for $7.99.
Classic truck.
Classic truck.
The letter X.
The letter X.
Okay.
Could be Roman numeral 10.
Could
There
be
you go.
too.
There you go.
Oh, another sense.
We've got
Honey vanilla.
honey vanilla. Oh, I like that one.
Okay. Not sure what this is. Decor use only. Okay. And that retails for $12.99, whatever it is. Who wants fake pencils around?
Don't know.
Pretzels? Is that what you
Pencils.
said?
Pencils.
Pencils. Oh.
Sorry, that's my Philadelphia accent. Oh, and we got another.
Looks like a thermos.
Yeah, this one looks like a thermos. I guess the other one did too.
The vase.
Another vase.
There's another vase.
There's a denture.
Oh, here's the other doorknob. and this doorknob retails for $9.99.
So you got your doorknob set.
Yeah. And that was it. So this is my $5 box and my $5 box. And they seem to coordinate pretty well together. Okay, now we're off to Lynn's box.
All right, here's our next $5 box.
Or bag. Grab bag.
Or bag, yes. All right, let me put this on the ground. Guess what I got?
You got a flag.
I got a flag.
You got a flag too.
Oh,
Oh, you got a different one.
I got a different one. New week, new goal.
New week. New goal.
And he retails for $14.99. Oh, I got a couple pictures. Oh, I got my own relax for my bathroom.
And that doesn't have the price on it either.
Yep. Got my own thermos vase.
Aw.
I got a couple pictures here. Let's go. Family reunion.
Wow.
Oh, that's cute.
And he retails for $16.99. Anyway, I got the birds.
Got the birds.
I got birds too.
And you got a balloon.
I got a balloon and mine says USA on there. So this must have been for 4th of July or Memorial Day.
Oh, that's cool. And that retails for $9.99. Oh,
I got my own
planner.
planter. Another bathroom plaque.
Brush your teeth. And that retails for $19.99.
I got a doorknob. We've got a lot of doors to open here. And I got wild honeysuckle.
Ooh,
Malting.
each one's different flavor. Isn't that good? We can share. I like that one. Is that it?
That is the end of my box.
Oh, you did pretty good for $5.
Not bad.
box number 4.
And our final grab bag from Michaels for $5.
I don't know whether they're giving out less stuff or more from what they did before. Because I never saw them in bags before. They usually had them in big boxes.
Hey, we got, looks like a tea
With a flower on it.
with a flower.
And that retails for $12.99.
Oop.
Another wolf.
Another family reunion.
Oh.
I got the matching vase.
And that retails for $19.99.
And we have another new year, new goal.
Aw.
Or new week, new goal, excuse me. Take that into work.
Oh, that would be cute. That retails for $14.99. Oh, you got a plate that matches.
Got a matching plate.
Is that a decor plate, I assume?
Wash before use, dishwasher, microwave safe.
Huh?
You can actually use it? Oh my god.
But there's a flaw on it. Right there.
Okay.
And that retails for $9.99.
And there's the plant to go with that goes in the vase.
And that retails for what?
$14.99. Tropical Paradise.
Wow. That's quite an expensive paradise. Oh, there's a flower.
Yeah, this spring. And it's just a cute little flower. It retails for $1.99. Another balloon.
Oh, that's the same one I got. And he retails for $7.99.
Brush your teeth. Oh, here we go. Here's a different one. We are simply meant to be.
Aw.
And there's no price on that.
Can you move it up a little bit? The flowers are blocking it. There you go.
I got it.
And the final item is
Another T.
another letter T.
No
And
flower.
he values for $12.99. And that is everything from our $5 grab bags from Michaels.
Oh, that's pretty. Tea.
Thank you for watching this unboxing. I hope if you like this style of unboxing, please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, share, and don't forget to subscribe. It is free. And thanks for watching our episode from Right at the Light.
Bye.